Hey guys, it's Shirley here again. Today I want to solve this Leetcode easy again. Today I want to solve this Leetcode easy problem called 2sum 4 inputs BST. The problem is basically asking for when given the root of a binary search tree and a target number k, return true if there exists two elements in the BST such that their sum is equal to a given target. So the way I'm thinking of doing this problem is by using a queue, and in order to do that, we need to import the deck from the Python package collections. So deck is basically a double-ended queue, and first we want to instantiate a variable q, which is equal to deck, and you want to then append the root tree node to the deck. So my approach to this problem is I think that we should first append each tree node to the deck, and you want to check if the node value plus another node value equals k. And the way you can do that is by creating a set called nums, and you want to check if k minus node.val is in the nums. And if there exists a value such that k minus node.val is in nums, then return true. Otherwise, return false. And so basically right now I'm going to instantiate a set variable called nums. And I'm going to loop through the queue. Right now it contains a root element, the root node, so it has one element. And while the queue has at least one element, you want to execute these statements. So size is equal to length of the queue, and you want to so right now size is equal to 1, so you want to loop through the queue, and you do this by looping through, setting the range equal to size, which is the length of the queue, and then you want to pop off each node of the queue. And you do this by doing pop left, which is basically taking the first node of the queue, first out principle. And if k minus node.val is in nums, then you return true, because basically it's saying that there exists value such that node.val plus another node.val is equal to k. So yeah, there's two elements in BST that where the sum is equal to the given target k. And you want to append each node child to the queue, and you do this by if node.left, then queue.append node.left, if node.right, queue.append node.right. And the last crucial step is, this is a very crucial step, is basically you want to add each node val to the num set. And return false if none of these conditions hold. So now I want to test this. Hope it works. So this is true. You want to test it for all the test cases. Yes, it's faster than 68%. And that's pretty good. That's like a B+. No, I'm sorry. Never mind. Thanks, guys.